Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Thanks for joining me today. So mystery boxes. Everybody loves mystery boxes. So I have some mystery bags from Hirschner's or Willow Yarns, same company. They had some Christmas in July mystery bags, so I thought I would check them out. Now, if you go to Hirschner's Yarns or Willow Yarns, either one, it's called Willow Wool Blend Holiday Bag. Now, it's $24.99. Now, please do not get confused because they do sell the bag itself with no yarn in it for $9.99. So you don't want to order the $9.99 one or you will not have no yarn. You'll just have a bag. And it doesn't even really look like it's worth $9.99. But you want to get the $24.99 one. And I'll tell you a little bit about it before we open them. I got 3 so we can see if they're all going to be the same or different. You know, that's how I roll with mystery bags. So we can tell, you know, is it going to be different? Is it going to be the same? It says fiber content, wool. So obviously you don't want it if it's going to have wool in it. Other than that, there's really no description on it. I guess in the picture it shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls. It says it has a retail value of $47.91 and you get it for $24.99. I'm not sure why there's no description info on it. All it says is wool. So I guess we'll just tear into them and see how many balls are in them and what you get for $24.99 from Willow's Christmas mystery bags. Here they are. Holly jolly. Okay, the bags themselves are nice. They could possibly be worth $9.99. I don't know. I don't really buy bags like this. So, but remember, if you see it, you go to the site and it says $9.99. It won't have our yarn in it. You'll just get a bag like this. The $24.99 will have yarn. Now let's see what's in them. So it is a nice canvas drawstring bag. Yeah, it could be worth that. You know, everything costs so much nowadays. No price really surprises me anymore on things. All right, yay, let's open it up and look. I'm gonna dump it out. Dump it out. Oh my gosh, I wonder if it's all going to be the same and it's going to be what it shows in the picture. Okay, let's see what we got here. I have a Willow Stream. It is 437 yards, so I can tell it's 70% superwash wool, 30% silk. So I can tell this is a lightweight yarn, probably like a 1 weight or a 2 weight sock yarn, something like that. It's very pretty. Smells clean. Smells like a yarn store. And the color spring green. So I got that. So that will be too thin for me, but it's still pretty. And then I got another one of the exact same, only it's light pink. So this is kind of like sock yarn. I don't knit or really crochet socks because I'm not very good at the heel. So I don't know how many yards it takes, but these have 437 per ball. So I don't know if you can just get 1 sock or if you get 2 socks out of a ball. Ambulance going by. You guys hear it? All right. And then we got Willow Everest. It's 55 merino, 50 microfiber, 126 yards. Feels good. It's nice. It's a 4 weight yarn. I could use that. That's enough to make, probably, maybe enough to make a hat. But I got 2 of those, and those are pretty folly. I could work those together for a hat or something. So I got 2 of those. Nice. What's this? Oh, 3 of them. Never mind. 3 of them. I don't know why this one looks so much smaller. It's different. Okay, this says Willow Everest, 126 yards. This says Willow Everest, 109 yards. So it's a little smaller, but they are exactly the same thing as far as fiber and everything. It's just this one is smaller. Anyways, those 3 together, I like it. They look good together. But they're all the same, the Everest. And then I got this ball, another Everest. This is another 109 ball. So I got these 2. 50 acrylic, 50 microfiber. They look like 4 weights to me with 109 yards. And these are the exact same thing with 126 yards. I do like these two colors better. And then I got these two, which I'll never be able to use. Well, actually, I don't know. Let's see what this, oh, they're classifying this as a 1 weight. Yeah, it's pretty thin. But anyways, it's cute. It's cute. Got 2 of them. I like the colors. Those are really my colors. It's called their Willow Yarns Delilah. 1.75 ounces, 147 yards of a 1 weight or a 2 weight. That's not much yardage there. So you got 2 of them. So that was what was in mystery bag number 1. It's pretty much kind of what it shows in the picture. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, but different colors. Okay? So when you look at the picture, I got everything that's in the picture. 4 of these, only different colors that's in the picture. 2 of these, just different colors, and 2 of these, different colors. $24.99, so 25 bucks. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's see if they're probably all going to be, I bet, more than likely, with my experience with Willow yarns and their mystery bags, is you can usually get the same, except for different colors. But let's move on to number 2. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Dump that yarn out. Oh, it's the exact same. But I don't mind doubles because these are small balls. So I got another pink, even though I can't use these, I'll give these away. And I got another green, just like I did in my other one. And these I like, though. I like these ever. So I got another orange, another brick red. Very beautiful. These are my favorites. These 2 colors here. Got another white, so I now have 2 of those. And then I got another green, so I have 2 of those, and 2 more of each of these. These are really cute, and I could put them together. I really don't like putting more than 1 yarn together, but I do it sometimes. But those are the colors are such beautiful. I love both of them a lot, but I really like that one. But the bad thing about these type of yarns, if they're not proportioned correctly, putting them together is not going to work, because you see the center of this one's, I always pull from the center from a cake. The center of this one is gold, and the center of this one's more bright yellow, so they just won't match up. More than likely, those are going giveaways too. But, alright, bag number 3. You guys ready? Probably the same. What do you guys think? Different colors? Same thing? Oh, different colors. Different colors. More the same, but different colors. Oh, these are pretty. These are pretty. These bags are actually really nice. I like those. I'm going to keep those. And I'm going to keep it for Christmas when I do giveaways on Christmas. And I still have my Lion Brand Christmas bags. I'll keep those too. But these are nicer than Lion Brand's Christmas bags. They're canvas. Lion Brands are more, not quite so canvassy. These are nice. Like I said, they might be worth the $9.99 they're asking. Okay, let's look at this one. So this has the same in it, but different colors. So for the stream, when I got 2 greens in the other 2 bags, this time I got a green and a pink in the other 2 bags. This time I got that. Look at that. That's beautiful. That reminds me of a couple of YouTubers I know. Rose from Rose Likes Crochet. Jax. Yes. Creations by Jax. Check them both out, please. And then I got this blue one, which I got pink in the other one. I got blue this time. That's pretty. That's like Tiffany blue. Nice. And then for my Everest, I got, let's see. So a couple of them are bigger balls than the other. So I got pink and pink, fuchsia and pink this time were my bigger balls instead of the orange and the red. I probably would have preferred another orange and another red, but that's okay. I like the pink too. And then I got, ooh, that's pretty. And that coral and that blue. I think those work well together. These have a little bit, no, these have big yardage. These have 126 yards too. I don't know why those green ones had smaller yardage. It's weird. And then I got, instead of these colors, which I got in my other 2 bags, I got a beautiful pink one and a beautiful blue one. That's nice. That's pretty. Those are both really pretty. These are really cute. I really like them. And the colors, I like every color I got. Of course, that green one's probably my favorite, this one. And this yellow one's beautiful too as well. Cinders are starting to pop out of them, so that's okay. Sting them back in there. But that's what comes in the mystery bags. So, from my experience, it's the first time I bought them. It will probably be the only time that I buy them. There's nothing wrong with them. I like them. I like everything I got. It's just the yarn that is in them is too thin for me to use. I can only use this 4-weight yarn. Like these are my favorites that I got in the bag right here, because these are just beautiful colors. And if these were thicker, they would be my favorites, but they're not. So and these are just way too thin, and I got six of them now. 6 of these I can't use, 6 of these that I can't use, but I can use all the Everest. More than likely I'll probably just use these 2 though, and get rid of the rest eventually, or give to my neighbor or something, but or do something with it. But okay, so my take on Willow yarns, I think they're very nice. The bag, I said at first I didn't know if it'd be worth $10 on its own, but it's possibly that it could. It's a really nice bag. But remember, if you want the yarn, you have to pay the $24.99. So basically you're paying $10 for the bag, because that's what they sell it for originally, and then you're paying $15 for the 8 balls of yarn. What I see in the picture right now is what I got, except for just different colors. So I don't know if that's what you can expect with all of them, but for the 3 that I got, that's what I got for $25 each bag. So yes, it was fun. I don't regret buying any of it. I always love mystery bags. Hirschner's always has pretty good ones. Like I said though, I won't purchase again, only for the fact that the yarn, most of the yarn, over half of it, or at least half of it, was too lightweight for me, and I can't use it. So, but that's the way it goes with mystery bags. You never know what you're going to get. So when I get a yarn that a mystery bag that I know has a lot of lightweight yarn in it, I won't buy it again. Not because I don't like it, not because I don't think it was a good deal. It's just because I can't use it. So you like a lightweight yarn, you're not allergic to wool, I say give it a go. And show me on Facebook what you got. If you follow me on Facebook, I would encourage that. You can always come follow me, show me your projects that you make for my videos, and we like to show yarn too on there. I love yarn deals and mystery bags and whatnot. Yeah, I like that kind of stuff. You know, I like that kind of stuff. So yes, I like it. I like it all. It's just I won't buy again, only for the, like I said, for the reasons that I stated. Other than that, you like it? I think it's probably a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna go. Thanks everybody for watching. See you on my next vid. Another mystery bag? Maybe. I don't know. It's hard telling. Bye guys.